Hi guys, I'm Erica from Erica Beauty and thank you for tuning into this video today. I have already done my base face. That is in another video, so if you're looking for how to do your base face, look for that video. We are moving on now and we are going to be working on brows because obviously you can see my brows are light. That's usually the next order that I go in when I'm doing my face. I'm using a eyebrow pencil from Limelife. I love their pencils. We have a couple products for eyebrows, one being the pencil and one being the gel. I'm going to be featuring both of those, or we also use eyeshadow sometimes. So I'm only going to be showing you the pencil and the gel today because that is the easiest. A little bit about the pencil. It has two ends. It has a spoolie end and it has a little teeny tiny micro tip. You twist it up and it is so fine that it will draw teeny tiny hairs wherever you like them. I like to define my brow with the pencil and I'm just using slight streaking up motions and I'm following my natural brow. If you had sparse brows or spots that were missing, this would be a great product because you can add in those little hairs. Like I add in over here because it is a little lacking and it gives you more of a defined brow. Now this is my everyday normal brow. I don't really do the painted on glam brows because I think I look funny, but anyway. This is as far as I go as painting on, but you can automatically see the difference, and this is just with the pencil. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I already brushed up with the spoolie, so now I'm just going to be going in and adding those hairs. A good rule of thumb is to have a straight face, so you kind of want to be expressionless when you're doing this. You kind of want to have resting bee face, kind of like scowling at yourself and not having any expression. Okay, so this is brow number 2. And then I go back and I look. My brows are definitely 2 different brows. So I kind of try to make them as close to sisters as possible. Not twins, sisters. Your brows do not need to look the same because everybody knows everybody's brows are not that way. Okay, so next product, yes, is our eyebrow gel. It comes in this fabulous little tube. Has its own little mini spoolie on the end. So it's going to grip those gel fibers right on that brush. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to stroke up and I'm going to follow where I want my brows. Now this is going to set. It feels a little wet at first, but then you forget that it's there. And that just adds a little bit more definition and sets everything that I just did. Now you could use either of these products by themselves. I tend to use them together, but when my brows are nice and done and just had gotten waxed, then I will typically just use the gel. If they are needing a waxing, I usually just use the pencil because I don't want to draw more attention to all those extra hairs. So those are the 2 products that I use, and when it's like kind of my brows are okay, they're not either needing to be plucked or freshly plucked, then I will use both. So it's just a matter of preference, to each their own. And here are my brows, and I'm ready to end this video. Alright, bye guys, tune in next time.